Ariel's turn.
Would you like to join me? We need the royal guards taking care of my princess. Right this way. It's morning.
It's okay, you share.
Is your name Ariel? Mucho gusto, Ariel. Nice to meet you. What is your name? Joseph. Very lovely to meet you. And what's your name? Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Are you taking care of my beautiful princess over here? Absolutely. I know it's Disneyland. It's your day off. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bother you. Here you go. We got one signature right here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it has her book. This is your book. This is your book right here. Is it okay if I sign right here? Yes. Oh, I have to get my permission. It's her princess book, and you know she has everything all detailed. Here we go. Well, since she's a royal princess and we have the royal guards, do you think we can take a picture with the princess? Yes. Absolutely.
Where's the book at?
What are your names?
What's your name? Tell her.
And yours? What's your name?
What's your name?
And yours?
What's your name? Louise. Here, show her your book.
Oh, would you like me? Oh, come on over here. Yes, I see. Would you like me to sign your storybook for you? Thank you very much. Would you like me to sign it right here? Okay, can I over here and show you how?
Take a picture. Take some.
Oh my goodness, you look lovely. He's fun. He's fun. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Joseph. Nice to meet you. What about you? What's yours? Nice to meet you. You all look wonderful.
Yeah, get your book.
Here's this.
Thank
I'd like to
you.
sign yours too. Would you like some pictures together too, everyone?
Yeah.
What do you think? Ariel. I'll be right this way. The water won't look pretty over me, right?
You look so cute.
No.
Oh my goodness.
I think kind of hard walking with the mermaids now, right? That makes sense. See? No, you haven't. It's your first time. For the very first time in the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, the most amazing, beautiful, and sparkling Princess Ariel.
Look at me.
Make some snowballs like this. And put them right in Do you know how to blow a princess kiss? Hands Now, one last thing. Princess
We have a seat right next to my friend Mr. Bum right here. You're going to sit just like me. Perfect. And now we look right here. Everyone likes the cheese. Good job, Ariel. Can you give Mr. Money Big House? Oh, good job. Just like that. Oh, good. Cheese. Can you act like you're feeding them some seaweed for me? They're really like snacks. Oh, good. Thank you. Good job, Ariel. Go ahead and swim on out, hang out with the royal crew. We're going to get these royal portraits printed out here shortly, guys.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. Today we all about you, Princess Bibbidi Bobbidi.
Giving you a sip. This is your big one right here.
Would you like me to sign these for you?
Go over there.
Oh, you want to show her that?
her toys. She wants to show it to you.
Oh, so you get to bring Ariel on all your adventures with you so far, my friend. That's very exciting. With the beautiful hair, too.
Excellent.
Oh my goodness, hello.
Joseph, say hi.
What was your name?
What's your name? Tell her your name.
What was your name? Oh my goodness, your name's Ariel too? We're double twin sets. Look at that. So I can send this for you. Thanks. That's not yours. I'll sign yours too. Oh, and what was your name? Very lovely to see you today. Are you all having fun in your human feet? Yeah, what's your favorite thing you've done so far? Riding the rides? Which one? Have you used your mermaid tail on a ride yet? No, maybe we have to do that. It is raining outside, so maybe we can make perfect weather.
Okay. Get your look. Get your look. All right, let's take a picture now. Oh, actually, one more. Sorry.
Can I use the pen?
Yeah.
Did you find that? Yeah, you're good. Thank you, Angel Fish. I hope you have fun in your human feet today, okay?
Say thank you, Milani.
Nice to see you. And what is your name? Ariel? What's your name, Nancy? Joseph. What's your Joseph. Joseph and Ariel.
One more.
Oh, one more. Hi there, little one. Nice to see you. Louie, it's nice to see you today, Louie. In this spring beautiful grass. You're all handsome.
And 1, 2, 1. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
With devils and black sheep are really bad eggs.
Yes, sir. You? Good.
Oh yeah, we saw you this
Saw you
morning.
this morning. What have we done so far? Oh, you got a crown. You didn't have that earlier. This looks amazing.
Yeah.
You had it in the car seat? Okay, and now that we have our crown, she's officially now showing everybody her beautiful jewelry. I love that.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. What did you do? What have you done so far? Where do my friends go? Hi.
Joseph, get down, buddy.
Did you go on any rides?
No, she already signed it.
Remember, she was the first princess we saw
My
today.
gosh. You haven't gone on any rides? Have you gone?
Yeah.
They're gonna go by.
You did it, Princesa. Muchas gracias. Adios.
Oh!
Wait a second, look at this crew. And we have a mermaid too. I was gonna say you guys like your Aunt Woody and also my twin fish. Well, yeah. My name's Ariel. What's your name? I was gonna say you look just like an Ariel, huh? Oh, I love the necklace though. I think I need one of those to give me don't you think? And I could always keep a little bit of my home close by. The mermaid tail, huh? Oh, and you have pretty seashells on your fingernails. Well, I'm jealous. You have all the who's wants at school, huh? Well, you have quite the good-looking crew here too. You're really good on the human legs as well. So I'm jealous about that too. Should we all take some more portraits together?
Yeah.
This is Mommy's favorite here. That's your
Side plate.
Oh, more side here. Thank you. Are you celebrating something special together?
It was her birthday, late birthday.
Happy birthday. How old are you now?
How old are you, Milani? 5.
5 years old. How many 5 birthday wishes now?
No, you're
Maybe the baby next one.
Yes.
Would you like for me to sign in your
It's
script?
fine.
It's
Fine.
Thank you. Did you swim here at the ocean today? You must be a mermaid just like Ariel.
Yeah, my mom.
Beautiful.
Let's bring our hands to our right.
Hi, buddy. Can I sign your book? Thank you. What's your name?
Louise.
What's your name? Joseph.
Joseph.
Come here, buddy. Don't be shy. Hey, calm down. Go say hi.
Very sprightly. I
Yeah.
like that you're wearing your crown today, too. I do have a crown, too, right?
Yeah, we're
Okay,
gonna take a
hold
picture
on
right
one
now.
second, okay, buddy?
Brandon, would you like me to take your
That's
water?
okay.
Very sprightly. Do you like my dress? My fairies made it for me. You look very pretty. Come on over this What's your name? My name is Joseph. Joseph? Yeah. And what's your name?
I know, but you told me.
Levine?
Louise.
Louise. I thought you said Levine.
They're saying it like they're shy.
Oh, do you have a book for me to sign?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Should I take a picture with
What
you?
is your name? Hi, Ariel. I love your scar. Did your genie make that for you? Genies find the best gems, don't they? You don't have a genie. Maybe we'll find you a lamp. We'll have a lamp and go into the Cave of Wonders as soon as possible.
Long time no swim, huh?
Oh,
Oh my goodness, would you like another big hug? Come right over here. Come right over here too. It's nice to see you all.
Oh my goodness, this is the third time we're seeing her because we're such good friends.
I remember them all. Now, have you seen Sebastian yet? Have I told you we're playing him hide and go seek? I can't seem to find him. So if you see him, will you let me know? He might be able to find you hungry people just like me. Well, wonder. Where'd you find him? He on a ride. He was. Do you know what ride he was on? What's your favorite ride? Which
Was
got
it-
into Small Worlds?
Yeah.
I thought so. He's always hiding on that ride. He likes the music and all the little friends on there. They're kind of small in his size. Love the bubbles on your cheek. I'm gonna have to get some too. I think. Splash.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Do you want pizza? Look at mom.
Oh.